Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to show you how to fix PS4 error code NP-34958-9. So the PS4 error code NP-34958-9 is another connectivity issue that can occur when there are problems with your internet connection or the PlayStation network. So here are some steps that you can try you can try to resolve this issue. So first, you need to check your internet. So that is the first step that you will need to do. So you need to ensure that your internet connection is stable and it is working properly. And you can try resetting your router or connecting your PS4 directly to the modem via Ethernet cable to rule out any Wi-Fi issues. So next is to test your internet connection on the PS4. So again, on your PS4, you just need to go to your settings and then go to network and then click the test internet connection. So this will check the speed and the stability of your connection. So if the test fails or show low speeds, you may need to contact your internet service provider for assistance. So next is to simply restart your PS4 and the network equipment. So sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. You just need to turn off your PS4 completely and then unplug the power cord from the outlet and also power off your router or modem. And just wait for a few minutes, then plug everything back in and turn them on again in the following order. So you need to plug them in following order: the modem, router, and then lastly the PS4. So next is to update the PS4 system software. So make sure that your PS4 is running the latest system software. So you need to go to your settings and then go to system software update, and follow the prompts to download and install any available updates that you can see. So next is to check the status of the PSN. So you need to visit the official PlayStation website or social media channels to check if there are any known issues with the PSN. If there is a problem on their end, you will need to wait until it is resolved. So next is to use Google DNS or Open DNS. So changing your DNS settings to Google DNS or Open DNS can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. And to do this, you go to your settings and then go to network and then click the setup internet connection and then choose either Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your connection type. And then select custom for setup method, and when prompted for DNS settings, just choose either Google DNS or Open DNS. So next is to contact PlayStation support. So of course, if the error persists, it is always recommended to contact the company. So you may need to contact the PlayStation support for further assistance, so they can provide you with specific troubleshooting steps or help you determine if there is a hardware issue with your PS4 console or network equipment. Just remember to check the official PlayStation website or support channels for any specific instructions or update related to the NP-34958-9 error code, as they may provide additional guidelines or solution. So that is all for this video. I hope you will like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. So thank you for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.